Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Moraki. In this video I will unbox and review the March 2019 edition of Youphobia box. It's a very affordable beauty subscription box priced at ₹309 including shipping for a single month subscription. If you go for longer subscriptions it's even cheaper. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me. It says euphobiabox.com, India's most affordable subscription box. It comes in a nice brown cardboard box like this. Once we open, this is how the beautiful pouch looks like. It's in silver color. It has this beautiful texture on it. And it really looks very glam and glitzy, something that you can carry to a party actually, because it doesn't say anything, so it's a nice party clutch, I would say. Here are all the products, so let's go through them one by one. And this time the pouch is quite bigger in size and more spacious as well. So the first product and the star product in my opinion is this. It's a lipstick set of 10 lipsticks, guys, for such an affordable box. I am so happy to receive this. It's by a brand Code or Cody, whatever it is. It is all matte lipsticks and this is the shade A. Everybody will be receiving this exact set of shades. I will give you a swatch of all of these, but you can just have a look at all these shades here as well. And I also like the fact that all of these have the shades on the packaging itself, so you don't have to open them and see what color it is, because I had that issue with the Las Vegas lipstick set, because they only had the numbers and I had to open the lipsticks and see what color it is. So this is again a great improvement. Every piece has 1.5 grams, so you have around 15 grams of product. It has come seal packed, so now let's open it and see how it is. Now the colors are more vibrant and you can see them better. Let me swatch one of these now and we will see the other swatches later. They're very cute. I love the packaging. It's sturdy. It's not something that's flimsy. And this is how much quantity you get per lipstick. Quite good, I would say. Wow. This is the swatch, guys. You can see how pigmented that is. It's just a single swipe and it's completely opaque. I love the color payoff and it's very creamy as well. And it's still kind of matte. It has a little bit of sheen to it, so it's like a satiny matte, but that's exactly the kind of mattes I like because it's not too drying on lips as well. I really like the lipsticks. Now I have all of these shades. So there are reds, there are pinks, there are some fuchsia colors as well, there's orange, there's brown, there are nude shades. So all of these are going to look so amazing on all skin tones. Only this shade might not suit darker skin tones, but I'm so happy that the entire set is going to suit all skin tones. So this is a really good product. The quality seems really good too, so I'm so looking forward to trying these and using them very frequently as well. I am very happy with this one. Definitely a star product. I would not expect a lipstick set of 10 in a box worth 300 rupees including shipping, guys. Really a great job done by the team. I will give this a big thumbs up. But of course we are not done, so let's move on to the other products. So first we have this mint and lime detox and revive foot soak for tired feet by the brand Good Soap. Again a good brand. It says superfood for your skin, 75 grams, full size, cruelty free, handmade, and the cost of this is 343 rupees. Best before 12 months from Jan 2019. And here are the ingredients mentioned. Really good ingredients, and since it has fresh lime, probably it might help you in getting your feet detanned as well, along with detox. Then next we have a lot of other products from which you can choose any one, and this is what I chose. The Cape of Good Soap Hydrating Night Face Lotion, Ashwagandha variant, 50 ml, full size again, and the cost of this is 599 rupees. And here are more details and the claims of the product. Expires in 10/20/20. And I'll tell you guys what all other options we have. So here are the other options. You can either go for intensive hair mask by AM Greens, fine eyeliner by Seven Seas, Chronocare Moist Urge Cream, or this one which I got, the Cape of Good Soap Hydrating Night Face Lotion. All of these are up to $5.99. And then we have a pair of earrings which looks like this, really pretty and girly. I like Afghan earrings and I like jhumkis like this. So this, even though looks grand, is very lightweight and I really like it. The finishing and everything looks pretty good. So quite happy with this one. A very good ethnic pair of earrings. You can wear these with your suits and kurtis and even your Indo-Western outfits. So those are all the products. This time the theme is there is no such thing as too many lipsticks, and I am a true believer of that, guys. I have so many lipsticks. I am a hoarder of lipsticks. I am a lipstick addict. I love lipsticks. I wear lipsticks all the time apart from when I go to bed. I try to use a tinted lip balm that time. I just can't look at my face in the mirror without wearing lipstick. That's how obsessed I am with lipsticks from a very early age in my life, to be honest. And here are all the products with all the individual prices mentioned. Of course, you get way more than what you pay for. That is not just the reason why you should buy this. Guys, this has 10 lipsticks and a product of choice, a beautiful pouch, like a really beautiful pouch, and some additional skincare and jewelry products. So I think it's a great deal. You should not miss it. I really liked it a lot and I'll give this a big thumbs up. So that's all for today's review. If you liked it and are interested in buying it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I hope you liked watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.